Don't you to go. Don't you to go. Don't you to go. Don't you to go.
Chat. Holy shit, chat. How are you doing? What's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the streams. How are we all doing? Yo, my bad I'm late. I was at the beach. I literally just got back. Didn't even get time to take a shower or anything. I'm so committed to you guys. I just jumped on straight away. All right. Let's start this shit, chat. How's everyone doing? Come say hi if you're here. What's good? What's good? 3, 2. Woo! What is up, chat? How is everybody doing? What's good, fam? What's good, Danny? Triz is here. High Life, Will, W7. What's good, chat? What's good? How's everybody doing? Welcome back to the streams. Gold's going crazy right now. Insane. What's good, Malinka? What's good, Dylan? Whole gang's here. Why is this? Bro, I need to get cooled down. It's way too hot outside right now. I just took my family to the beach. Left them there. Went for a little swim and now I'm back, but bro, I feel like sandy. This is weird. Not sandy, like salty, sorry. Or maybe that's TMI, but there you go. What's good, Alex? How you doing, brother? All right, chat. Look, let's get into it, man. Hopefully you guys are good. Whoa, this 5-minute flipped. Holy shit. All right. So, chat, weekly time frame is nearly flipping here. Holy shit. After tapping into that level, what did I say? What did I say, chat? I said we tap into 34 and then reject. We did exactly that. That first trade of the week would have been a banger. But yeah, you drop down to the daily. And again, you're in this wider range, right? You've rejected... Whoa, that is not what I wanted. You've rejected off of the top level right here at 33, which is where we've rejected every single time in the past. And every time we've done that, we've come down to at least 28 here. So... do you have the same thing? Maybe. Is this a time you break out? I don't know, but you do come down to at least 32.86, if not 58 as a minimum. But yeah, chat, interestingly, the 4 hour as well closed, kind of no bottom wick. Kind of been not moving for the last hour and a half. But with that being said, let's drop to the 1 hour and actually look at the levels here, because I think it's very important. I think this is very important here. The 1 hourly just did flip after that 5-minute, rejected like crazy. So let's see. I do believe we have a level up here. Wait, no. Let's go from below first. To be fair, we have rejected from somewhere around here in the past. The 1 hour, it looks kind of small, I can't lie, but it's not. So we have a level, I would say, on the 1 hour around this area right here, where we actually rejected from in the past quite a few times. Yeah, it's pretty clean. After that, you have room probably all the way up until I would say, let's call it this, right? Up till 72 here. That gives you like a, what is that, an 80 pip range? Yeah, roughly. Do I want buys though? I'm not sure. But after you close below this level here, pretty much every single time you push down towards the 53 area, right? Yeah, every single time you push down towards 53. So if we do get like another confirmation below the range, it could be something exactly like this, right? You get like a push down, then you retrace a little bit, and then you make the fill all the way down to 53. That's what we could be looking at here, to be honest. So without further ado, chat, that's what we're going to look at. I think for the buys above 72, if you did get them, would be all the way up towards 80. But for right now, I don't think that's too much of an something to worry about. We can look at a break of structure on the lower time frame here as well. If we drop to like the 15 minute, you're going to see if you do close above here, technically you are starting to break some structure. So you could potentially have a go at some buys, but again, we are super bearish right now, so I would probably want some more confirmation. However, you are kind of mirroring this move to the left just a little bit. So chat, we'll see what happens here. We'll see how these closures go. We've got 22 minutes to the hourly close. And yeah, man, let's jump into it. But chat, how have you guys been anyway? How have your trades been? Hopefully you guys caught some nice little positions. If not, why didn't you? If you did, what did you catch? Let me know, chat. I'm always excited to hear about it. Trades taken today, London or yesterday? Oh no, let me take that out. Trades taken, no trades today. Yesterday I had gold sales break even, yeah. What's good, Jed? What's good, Valentine? Gold looks a bit oversold, maybe. Might need a little bit of a pullback here. Okay. Sells for 400, still holding some? That's insane. That's a big position right there. Congrats. Congrats. Chat. We need some confirmations here. This could be a sticky one otherwise. Yo, it's like 40 degrees in Cyprus, right? I don't know if you guys saw yesterday. Bro, the forest fires in Cyprus are going crazy. 30 range on the 5, yeah, I know. There's like wildfires all around Cyprus right now. It's killed like a couple of people. And it was like kind of near me, to be fair. Very interesting. I don't know, the 4 hour, almost no top wick. Other 4 hour, yeah. It could flip. It could flip. 4 hour structure is still bullish, right? Technically. Not on this, not on, oh, that's platinum, wait. Not on, FXCM. She stay safe. Yeah, I appreciate it, bro. What's good, W7? Yeah, I put it on my TikTok chat. It was insane. I'm 1-0 for the week, being super patient. 5-1 for the month. W, bro. That's really good. Smart move to be patient there. Okay, chat, cool. How's everyone's week so far, though? I've literally had no trades this week. I can't lie, like, basically none. One break even, and that's it. It's good, Rehan. High life, what's good, my brother? Sold gold around 33.78. Closed position when it tried to come back. 78 would have been a good position from up here, but it happens, bro. SG, please. Well, no way. We've got a pass no num command now. That's insane. How are you? I'm very good, my friend. How are you? Chat, one sec. Let me just do this real quick. Then we can be locked in. Okay, cool. Bro, suggest me my 10K account risk management with your strategy. 1% risk. Chat, you reflipped here. This is what I'm saying. This is exactly what I was talking about. Nice little push down. Stop adding commands, man. We get a closure here. Let's look at the 15 minute, actually. You get a closure on the 15's kind of cooked. But a 1 hour closure like this is going to lead to sells all the way down, right? And that's what I'm going to take a look at doing here. Chat, by the way, I dropped a new video a couple of days ago. Was it yesterday? Was it yesterday? It was, right? Yeah, it was yesterday. My bad. I dropped a new video yesterday, chat. Make sure you go watch that thing, because that is like... I genuinely think that's one of my best videos to this day. I think it's one of my best videos ever. It's literally not edited once. Nothing like that. It's purely just value, right? Not even value. It's just like, I guess it's just raw. Like, it's just me. You know what I mean? Just talking about everything. Unreal vid. I appreciate it. Chat, if you haven't already, make sure you go check that shit out. We always love it raw. Come on. Grrr. Chat, I thought that was a vibe though. Like the way the camera's set up and everything. Talks about debt, degrees, chasing dream. Real stuff. Yeah, bro. Really shows the struggle you've been through. Probably a lot of people that follow you are in this phase right now. Bro, I'm really glad to hear that, man. Or not glad to hear that they're in the phase. I'm glad to hear it's relatable. How's the fires, mate? Bet your parents were thinking, fuck. Bro, when they were landing in, they were like, they were flying over the fires. They saw that shit. They flew in fine. Yeah. They flew in fine. It's just like, they literally flew over the fires. It was fucking crazy. I don't know if I showed you the videos. Mad. I did it earlier in my watch later list. Looking forward to it when I'm done working. Hey, what's good tech with MSA? Yeah, I appreciate it, man. Definitely going to be a good watch. Yeah, look at this shit. Bro, I was driving to the airport to pick my parents up, and this is what I saw. Who wants to play? But you can see like the fire here. Why is this shit not playing? Okay. Yo, I joined TRLS exclusives last night. Time to grind through those lessons. Good stuff, bro. Welcome, man. Yeah. Get them done, and then when you come back to the streams, you're going to know exactly what we're on about, and you should be able to implement everything extremely well. It covers literally everything on risk management, prop firm passing, everything. Oh, Leonidas, how you doing, brother? Yo. Bro, I was about to ask, are you anywhere near the fires? It's like pretty close to me. I can't lie, bro. It's pretty close to me. Because it's Limassol district, so it's like northwest of Limassol, right? And that's kind of where I am anyway. I'm a little bit north of Limassol, so it's like, it's pretty sketchy, I can't lie, but I don't think we're like in danger. Shit's scary though, bro. I think 2 people already lost their lives. Bro, honestly, there's ash raining down everywhere that we are. Like last night, it was like raining ash. It felt like, you know, Pompeii in Rome when the volcano went off. There was like white rain coming down everywhere, and it was particles of ash and shit. It was fucking insane. Like I was literally look at this. I was driving and it looked like this. And then, wait. This, bro, like the whole, it looked like the sun was about to get burnt out. And this was the craziest thing. Aren't you a firebender? Crazy. Seems it was started on purpose. Someone said that, but why? Why would they start it on purpose? I don't know. It was probably just the heat. Nah, it was like 45 degrees the other day in Nicosia. Not selling Cyprus to me? Nah, it's just because they have one fire. A guy bought 13 million property value in Limassol the week before the fire. Someone bought 130 mil just outside Limassol as well the other day. I can't lie. I was thinking now would be a very good time to buy a property somewhere near those areas. But it's kind of immoral, right? Kind of immoral, I can't lie. Hey, what's good, Kat? How you doing, brother? The fire's empty lots for investors to buy properties. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I kind of want to buy a place where they were. News all over. Oh shit, yeah, chat. I forgot to show you about the news. We do have news later today. It's not even that far away. Forget about all of these. We only care about USD, right? Unemployment claims is at 1:30. So in about 40 minutes. Arlie and I just catch up in a bit, bro. And then you have PMI an hour and a bit after unemployment claims. So I probably won't be trading. In fact, I definitely won't be trading during that. But we will be trading during the unemployment claims. So we do need to keep that in mind, right? If we don't get a trade in the next sort of 30 minutes or 25 minutes, let's say, we're going to take a little step back and just wait. But I honestly think this nice little 30 close below could be pretty decent here. If you grab enough liquidity and close below, I think the sells all the way back down to clear this clean traffic could be good. Because you tried to push back up, you broke structure again. 15 close, oh, 15 shit did close below, chat. After sweeping that high? Did you close below there? You did. I think... Five no top wick's a bit sketchy to me, to be honest. Sorry, no bottom wick on this 5. But the 15 closed really nicely. 5's closing back within this weird 5-minute range. I think we'll wait for the hourly. It's tempting, chat. Little 15-minute flip there for the sells, but I think the hourly confirmation is what we need here, to be truly honest. If this hourly just decides to close above, then you're cooked, right? A lot of potential here, chat. Sorry, I zoned out there to try and figure out this trade. In fact, I'm not apologizing for that, but the point stands. 5-minute did close back within... Oh, that's a big rejection. Why honest? What? What you mean, man? Oh, lie? Yeah, next time I'll lie, don't worry. All right, cool. Chat, 8 minutes till potential positions here. A lot of opportunity right now, I can't lie. So much potential here. If we close below on this hourly or the 30-minute whatever, both look good. It's the same closure. Those are going to be the sells that we take to continue down towards, to be honest, towards 58 at least. That's what I would say, at least 58. The only thing that stresses me out now, or not stresses me out, but the only reason I'm not taking it is because this 5 closed back within this weird 5 consolidation range. But the 15 did technically close below, and if that 15 flips, you are good to go. It's a lot of pressure on the 15 right now. 5's got no top wick as well. What would stops be if we got that position? 7 minutes to wait here for the confirmation. I think it's important. Hi, internet down, iPhone hotspot, no trades for me. Good shout. Nothing worse than trading on sketchy Wi-Fi or like sketchy connection. What's good, Mighty Meat? How's it going, brother? Chat, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. We've got 40 people in here and 8 likes. Are you taking the piss? Yeah, I'm streaming for you guys for free and you're giving me 8 likes. I'm not going to run these streams anymore if you guys... I'm going to take my ball and go home. I'm going to be one of those kids. Drop a fucking like, man. The least you can do. Chat, this is what we'll look for, though. Stops above here would be the smartest. What's good, Daniel? How's it going, brother? Hey, what news are we expecting today? We have unemployment claims in about 35 minutes, and then you have PMI later. But I'm not going to trade PMI. I don't know what the news is going to do or what they're expecting. Let's have a look what they expect. So they are expecting 227,000 unemployed, which is higher than previous. Less than forecast is good for currency. So we want it to be, if we're looking at sales, kind of want it to be more than forecast, right? But I mean, we'll see. 5-minute closing here shortly. Is that 5 going to close bearish, or is it going to close respecting this range? 15 looking to flip again, try and break those lows. I'm not in this right now, chat, by the way. Yeah, it's just a placeholder. You did just break the 15 low here, though. I want to see how this 5 closes, because look, you just broke the low and rejected again. Look at that. Holy shit, chat. That's why you wait for confirmations, because look at that shit. I'm not saying it doesn't rip down, right? But you did just break the low. You would have got activated in those cells, and then it reflipped. Did it break the low on my broker? Yeah, it did as well. I broke the low on everything, I think. So yeah, like you would have got. Are you eating steak today? No, not today, man. And the 5 minutes consolidating like that, how big of a closure do you look for outside, and how does that affect your SL? Just a little closure outside, man. Like, it's nothing crazy. I don't need seriously ridiculous closures. To be honest, the 1 hour confirmation would be more important for me. Just a nice little bearish 1 hour close below these levels. Look at this 5 minute rejecting, bro. That is crass. That's insane. Could just be like a top wick, obviously, right? But if this 1 hour closes bullish now, obviously the whole idea behind the sells is completely gone. That's better, chat. Looking at 20 likes right now with 45 on the stream. I appreciate it, man. Better than the 8 we were on before, man. One more down and I'm in. For buyers or what? Sales, man. I presume sales. Unless you're Mr. Aggressive over here. This 5 flips, there's no real reason you shouldn't drive. Obviously sells. Okay, I thought you were looking for one more down to take the buyout. How you doing, bud? What do you think after news, buys or sells? What's good, DJ? I don't know, man. I'm looking at sells more probable. Sells are more probable, sorry, is what I'm going to say. But, you know news, man. Anything can happen with news. Anything can happen. I would like to get this position on this 1 hour close, though, so we can be done before news. That would be sick. Maybe even hold a little runner through news. That'd be so cool. If you could get like a little 80% of the position closed and then hold the rest of it through news, that'd be sick. 2 minutes to the Audi close, chat. I guess the whole question is, what's this 5 gonna do? You ever heard of the guy trader? No. $15 gonna close bad? We'll see. Got 2 minutes, man. No, 3 minutes even. 3 minutes is a long time in trading. Five might flip here, chat. Another buy. This guy, Mr. Pineapple's over here. 5 nearly flipped here, chat. Insane in the membrane. It like kind of flipped and then reflipped. Well, not actually flipped, but it came down a little bit, started to reject a little bit more. This 1 hour close is gonna be very important, chat. I don't see a reason why you shouldn't fill the range down though. Every time you do close here, you fill the range. Literally every time. Stops should be, yeah, is that the same? That's the same level. We're good. You're in Cyprus right now? How you feel there? It's fucking incredible, bro. Yeah, I am. I love it so much. Best country on earth, in my opinion. Or one of them. $5 nearly flipped. Just like this little weird support that we've made is very strange. Very hesitant to take, not hesitant, but it's weird to take sells here. Might consolidate to news? Yeah, it might do, bro. 100% it might do. But look at this liquidity we've grabbed here now on the 5. 5's about to flip just before the closure. Classic gold. Absolutely textbook gold. See how we open. Whoa. Close below the consolidation would be good. See how we open here, chat. If we get a top wick first, I'll take a little position on the flip. Yeah, good. Good little top wick first, eh? We love that, chat. Insane. Oh, why am I looking at platinum right now? That's not what I'm trying to look at. Yeah, chat. This is interesting. Opened up bottom wick first. So at any point this could flip, right? Which would not be good. I mean, sells in the last 5 flip. Makes a lot of sense. You did close respecting though. You can write that down to like 53 probably. Unless it comes for a top wick. Holy volume, chat. That is insane. Tapped into the area right there. Yeah, that 5 flip was probably a decent play, but I wanted the Audi close, obviously. This could also just be liquidity right now, chat. That's the problem. Like at any point, that could just be liquidity for us to rip straight back up. What's the 1 minute saying? Fuck man, I haven't traded yesterday. I really feel the need to enter a trade. I won't do anything though. Just waiting for a possible setup. Yeah, bro, you gotta be careful, man. We've got news very shortly, right? We've got news very, very shortly. Like, there's no point in forcing a position here right now. 5 close respecting, so it was valid not to enter. Better to let it go than to take something that's not. Yeah, bro, 100%. You don't want to take a trade that's not valid. That would be stupid. I do agree. Like, that's the whole premise behind the trade, right? Chat, what I was saying was I needed a closure below that consolidation first. And then it didn't do it. I mean, we didn't know it was going to do it. I was going to wait for the closure and then take the position. But obviously, by the time it closed, it was already gone. And you've also got news very shortly, right? Which is not a good time to be trading. And you look like you might flip here, chat. Which is crazy. If you flip, you're going to rip upwards, right? Shorted that till 33.58.5. Nice. Congrats. Does it like a liquidity grab? Yeah, it could be 100% a liquidity grab. 100% it could be a liquidity grab. That's why you have to be careful. I think this is a new... This news affects NQ100. What's NQ? Do you mean NASDAQ? Yeah, will do. Yeah, 100%. Broker really kills me in times like this. Why? So it's like liquidity? Yeah, it could be. 100% could be. Couldn't close position. Browser froze. What? Why are you trading on a browser? What are you trading on? Open broker from phone? Yeah, but do you not trade on an MT5? I was in sales earlier, but got hit BE when it started ranging on the 5. Here, right? Yeah, I think that's valid. It was good management to do that, most likely. DX trade? Fuck DX trade, bro. It's absolutely terrible. DX trade is not a good platform to be trading on. It's super slow, it's laggy. You don't want to be trading on it. Unless you have to, right? I know, like, if you trade with ACG in America, then you have to use DX trade. So you can do it, right? But I would avoid it if entirely possible. Good management because it stopped making lows. Yeah, like the break even. Yeah. That was good management, Mr. Gareth. Okay, chat, we flipped here. Look at that. Tap, chat, by the way, look at the level that I drew like 20 minutes ago. Let's zoom the fuck in on that one. Chat, that is 0.2 of a pip away. So I was accurate to within 0.2 pips. That's 1 pip. That's how accurate my drawing is. You feel me? That's how accurate this strategy is. To the point where I drew this line 20 minutes ago, price just came down and reacted off of this. And it was 0.2 pips on my level, right? And that line was basically just drawn with my eyes. No indicators, nothing like that. That's how sick the TRLS strategy is. Chat, if we drive now, you're going to drive to... I don't know where. Fucking somewhere far away, though. Could have taken a buy on that line? No way. No way. Scaled in more buys. That's how accurate I am. Whoa. Mr. Scaler over here. Chat, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. I said scream, but it is a stream. I'm trying to let my trades run, so it is what it is. Yeah, it is what it is, bro. Don't worry. How much did that run by? 40 pips? Yeah. Mr. Eugene, what's good, brother? How's it going? 30 closes above high and news comes down first. Might play the flip. Yeah, you can do that. Yeah, that 5 flip was not... I don't think it was entirely valid, to be honest. It made sense to me. I knew what was going to happen, but it wasn't really valid. In my opinion. How did it feel to get your first ever payout? Since then, how it feels? First payout's crazy, bro. You always just like... My first payout was like $200 or something. $260 or something like that. No. My first was $600. And then after that, I got one for like $260, $180, and then I blew the account. It was fucking sick, bro. You feel super excited. Money's fake? It is. Money's fake, but the things you can do with the fake currency are not. Are you in a trade now? No. Oh, chat, did you hear that? I don't know if you guys hear that. That was crazy. My neck just clicked like it. It's just numbers on a screen. Yeah, everyone says that, right? But money's fake. I agree. But then again, you know, your house isn't fake. Your car isn't. Everything, right? Your experiences are definitely not. You know, travel, etc. So like, money's fake, but the things you can do with it are very real. So that inherently kind of makes money real, right? How do you know that? Everything we do is a fake reality, and we're all just a tiny cog in a much larger cosmic machine. I'll be smoking too much DMT. Nah, bro. Sometimes I think about that shit. I've never smoked DMT, but sometimes I think about that shit and it scares me, so I just don't do it. My dad too rich. Yeah, you gotta make your own money though, not your dad's. Oh my god, chat. I'm hungry. That's a problem, bro. Skill issue? Nah. Chat, look at that rejection. Yeah, if you break structure on this 5, buys look pretty decent, to be fair. Nothing to get scared of. Even if it's not real, who cares? It's real for us. Yeah, that is true. Ignorance is bliss and all that. But is it? Having a poor dad is a skill issue. X marks the spot. Bro's going treasure hunting. I don't want a closure above like 65-ish. Yeah, you're just saying the level that I put on the screen. Nothing's real anymore. You can just use your chi to bend reality. I wish. Don't imagine the spoon bending. Imagine the air around the spoon bending, right? At the highs before you drew that, you nonce. Whoa. Chat, 15-minute closing here shortly. Starting to reject down again. Oh my god. My bag just clicks insane. Imagine a spoon with... Bro. Had my short reverse off my SL yesterday. Devastated. It always happens, bro. It's just a part of trading, unfortunately. I'm pretty sure our whole universe is inside a black hole, but it doesn't matter anyway. How would that even work? Why would that make it any difference? I don't know, but... Yeah, what's good, Ranko? How you doing, brother? 15-minute closes above 65 might give me a good move. Yeah. Someone said that like 5-10 minutes ago. I don't know who though. Nah, I'm playing, but you are right. Little break of structure on the 15-minute would be good. Are you real? 5'10"? That's your height, no? Boom, 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 boom. Yo, Rehan, are you still here? Did you just message me on Instagram? Or was this a different Rehan? Someone just messaged me on Instagram beefing me called Rehan. If it's you, then we're going to have a serious scrap. Chat, it can't go on like this. It can. I think if we get a close above 15, we can look at buys. Oh! Chat, I'm just trying to figure out what we could do on this 15-minute to get some buys. How could we actually, how could we get buys here on this 15? I think if this 15 closes above 65, we could probably look at the buys. I think if this 15 closes and another one opens, holy shit. Bro's using his full brain capacity on that one. After this 15 closes, another one. If it didn't, time would have stood still, and that would be not good. Gonna slime him? Crazy. Add my DM. At this point, you keep asking me to open your DMs. It's gonna make me air it more, because then it's funny. I don't know, SMC, I believe in TRLS. That's a vibe. TRLS is the best strategy on the planet. Open DM, Eugene, I'm never checking the DMs from you ever again after the stuff you sent me. You're banned. Brilliant, I just opened it. That's insane. ICT superior, shush. Danny can rewind time with his massive brain so he never loses a trade. Chat, what have we become? 15-minute closing, like kind of bearish here, chat. 5 minutes still closing, respecting this consolidation. This is weird. I believe we're just waiting until news now, to be honest. And because we grab liquidity from down here, the likelihood is news just shoots straight up. Just normally how it works. What he sent on DM? Rehan. I don't know if it's the same Rehan. I don't think it is. I'm gonna call him a dipshit. I was just like selling again. You said news. I stopped. Yeah, that's the problem. News is coming shortly. The 15 closed bearish though. You do have a wick fill here, so you potentially should fill this wick. But again, jumping back into a trade is no bueno. Wonder what Eugene's FYP looks like. Bro's actually got the For You page of doom, bro. Like, Eugene's genuinely got the For You page of doom. ICT Siberia, combine that with Pineapple, zero losses strategy, making 5,000% a year. Insane. My FYP, what? Nah, it's definitely not Eugene. 0% chance you've got a good FYP. Chat, 14 minutes till news here. Now it's reached my deadline. 15 minutes before news, I can't take a trade. So I'm going to have to wait until... I'm going to have to wait until fucking news comes out. Bro, this guy. look at this shit. People actually jump in my DMs and say shit like this and then don't check the YouTube. Like, wait, look at this. You're selling courses. If you have so much money, then why are you selling for free? Why are you selling strategy? Just give it for free. I've bought so many courses, so-and-so. I said, it's a free training, dipshit. He said, how is it a free training? It's showing join. Learn us in YouTube for free. Go to my YouTube right now. I am live. You will see your self. Nice. Bro, just check the YouTube. It's pretty simple. I literally do teach you for free. That's how people, I swear, that's how cooked people are in trading. Like, I never replied to those comments, but since I was live, I thought it was pretty ironic that he was like, nah, I teach you for free on YouTube instead. Bro, I'm literally live on YouTube right now. But people actually can't be bothered to put in the effort to go and go, this is how much effort it takes, right? You go over here and you type in YouTube, and then you click on trend lines, and you would see it. Right? That's like, it took me 5 seconds. Here we are. Oh shit, this guy actually does teach it for free. But now they're like, let me just type out this message. I'm going to really own him here. Stop saying you're from India. Are you going to be around in 2025? Who just messaged me? That's got to be someone from stream. Who is that? That's not funny. They got me. They actually got me. That dipshit. Hi, lads. Is that you? Love it. Pufferin, what's good, man? SK, what's good, my brother? How you doing? Holy shit, chat. Whole gang's pulling up. Is it worth buying a ledger? Yes. I think a Trezor might be better. I have a ledger personally. But, yeah, they're good, man. So, as long as you got some stacks on there, you don't want to buy it if you don't have any crypto, right? Obviously, but... $2 million on the ledger. That's light work. 2 billion on the ledger. You know how rich people actually do transactions in crypto as well? They literally, to make it fully untraceable, they stick shit on a ledger and then just hand the ledgers to each other. Fully untraceable. It's nothing. My father has almost 20 million on a ledger. That's 20 million is less than 2 billion. I don't know if you know that. I literally have $2 billion on my ledger. I could literally buy Cyprus right now, but I thought, Just came back from my shower. What the fuck is gold doing? I knew you were showering, bro. It was like, let me just make the move whilst Danny's showering so he misses it. I was driving and I saw a truck with the rising TRLS, the writing TRLS delivery. No way. Surely you took a photo of it. Do I get pinged so if the feds come, they just think it's my mom's USB? I have a solid gold one. Can't lie. Oh, chat. Same guy. I have to go back to this. Wait. For sure, while I'm driving. Okay. All right. There's no need to be sarcastic. Look at this. So the guy who's like, why are you selling a course, right? I was like, go to my YouTube. You'll see. And he was like, yes, I'm watching your videos, but I don't know where to start step by step. That's the point of the fucking course. If you want the free content, I will give it to you and I'll teach you the whole strategy. But if you want the step by step, that is the course. And like, bro, what? I actually don't know where to start with these people. Like, I can give as much for free as possible. If you want a step-by-step guide, that is called a course. So it just makes no sense. Anyway, it doesn't matter. SG, your latest video was so good that I full margin news straight afterwards. Good shit. Nah, chat, honestly, that video was banging. I can't lie. You have to go watch that afterwards. I actually enjoyed watching it back myself because it was so raw and so, like, real. Basically just a 30-minute speech, right? Let's have a fight. Whoa. Change your name? What is going on? Maybe ask him to send his login info and you can just trade for him. Mug. Yeah, that's the point, right? Let me hold your hand the entire way for free. Because I just have loads of free time, right? I have infinite time. Oh, wait, no. No way, Jose. Change it to Rastafari. Chat, you guys have gone... The brain rot's got into your guys' head. I've literally watched, since I started streaming, just the decline of the chat in here. From, like, serious trading questions. We still get a few now and then. But the majority of it now is just... brain rot. I'm joking, man. You're too good of a guy to have a fight with. You probably beat my ass, I can't lie. You're Romanian, right? Yeah, I'm not fighting anyone from Romania. Apart from Qatar, I'd beat the shit out of Qatar. I'm joking. Qatar would probably beat the shit out of me. 1v1? 1v1 on that. What? Motherfucker said beat the shit out of me. 1v1 on that game. What was that game again that we were playing? Balkan never back down? Yo, have you seen my haircut right now? I've got basically a mullet. I'm Balkan as well now. Wukong, yeah. You can't even 1v1 on that, but I'll do it. Did you ever... Nah, shit. You didn't, right? Fuck. Who or what inspired you the most to become a trader? Myself. Nah, I did not. Yeah, cooked. Big guy. I also did kickboxing, but I don't want to fight anyone. I would like to rest. I'm doing Irish for a while, but let's have a good question. Yeah, fire, bro. Chat. 5 minutes till news, by the way. You need a sig break? Holy shit, yeah, I do. Stop saying Rastafari in chat. What's good, Tony? How's it going? Wix 9 inspired him the most. SG, haven't mastered the 10 techniques of Wudan. I can do that, though. Anyone who does that before a fight immediately wins, right? As long as you just go... And you have to go, yeah, during it. Yeah. And you win. No one's scrapping you if you do that. Or you hit him with this one. You gotta go with the... Put him up. Jack. I'm joking. That way, no one's ever losing. If you do this that thing, you're never losing a fight after doing that. Everyone will just run away. Holy shit! I wish I knew that all the time I got beaten. Yeah, exactly. Six? What about them? Hey there, took some days off on the beach. Hey, what's good, JJ? How's it going? Bombadillo, crocodilo. What's good, man? Holy shit. We really have devolved, chat. How is this still the most educational trading stream on YouTube? I don't understand. Brain rot stream? Nah. We're not bringing that back. It can't run, chat. Listen, chat, drop a like, by the way. You got 60 people in here. Let's get at least... Yo, chat. Let's get at least 40 likes on the stream. But chat, this has to be someone from... This has to be someone from stream. I'm not being funny. There's 0% chance this is not a joke now. And he's changed his profile picture midway through to a fucking Rolls Royce. Brother, give me full free offer. What do you mean? Brother, give me full free offer. These are the type of people Chat. What the skibbity? Honestly. When people say that 97% of traders fail, that's who you're talking about. That's the competition. If you can't beat them, chat, you guys are cooked. I'm not being funny. If you cannot beat someone like that, you are cooked. So I have the setup on the phone and I have my tablet close to me and I'm using text-to-speech because I'm driving and you're talking and it's messing up my chat here so I cannot actually write. Okay. Either way, let's talk about something interesting. I wanted to ask you about order flow and heat maps. Yeah, I actually, I spoke to the team at Bookmap the other day. I was thinking about adding it to my trading. I might get into it, to be fair. But I don't want to overcomplicate shit as well. Send him a website for the India call center? Yeah, trust me. Step number 1, get a job. Chat, news in 2 minutes here. Jobless claims? Yeah, this guy who's DMing me about a free course, he's one of them. He makes up one of those numbers. Hey, there's 5 range, wicks everywhere. Yeah, well, it's just pre-news consolidation, right? Ever since 10 o'clock this morning, you couldn't trade it. It's actually what I wanted to ask, because people are so online, you're not going to change anything like a strategy or the way you trade. No, I will definitely adapt the strategy. I'm always looking at stuff not to add, because I think it can get too overcomplicated. At the minute, I think it's perfect. On Apex, you need $50 for it to count as a win trading day? Yes. I will always adapt my trading, right? But it gets to a point where you can overcomplicate it for no reason. All right, chat. 1.5 minutes till news here. I don't think I have a play on news right now because you've already grabbed a shitload of liquidity. I think we're gonna have to wait until the 4 hour, probably. Not the 4 hour, I guess the 1 hour. Let me get to my PC. This text-to-speech is fucking up my mojo. I respect it. Chat, look at this 15 as well, though. Holy skibbity. What the skibbity? Mad. All right. Looks like we're going to close. I think we're going to fill the range on news, chat, to be honest. I have a sneaking suspicion we just pop straight down. Little sneaky suspicion. 34 seconds till news, though, chat. Let's see. Chat, quickly, what do you think is going to happen on news? Press 1 for up, 2 for down. I forgot to do it again. Press type 1 in chat, or type a 1 in chat if you think news is going to push us up. Type a 2 in chat if you think it's going to push us down. Quickly! 2. Chat, you got 5 seconds, man. 2. 1. Oh, shit, you did close below as well. What the hell? What the helly? The Helionte. Does it not come out or what? Delayed reaction or some shit? Oh, it's still pending. Still pending. And now, is it out? Bro, it still says pending. Oh, it's out. Good for currency, so that should push gold downwards. But we've moved about 6 pips. Good. Very good. Chat, I did not expect that, to be honest. I thought that was going to be a big news event. I can't lie. You're looking like you're going to flip here. Maybe it's a delayed reaction. But at the same time, chat. What the fuck? Kind of filled the wick. Re-flipping here, chat. And it was actually bearish for gold, but gold is pushing up now. Maybe everyone's waiting for Trump to visit power today. Maybe. Also, you do have PMI in like an hour and 15 minutes, so the market could also be waiting for that, right? Could also be waiting for that. What the helly? Rastafari, for fuck's sake. Chat, I guess we're gonna have to wait for like some more structure to be made here. It does look like we want to continue down though. Fill the wick is most likely what's going to happen. I do believe you still have to tap into 53 at some point. That's what makes the most sense, to be honest. So I think maybe we'll look for like a 5-minute or a 15-minute closure bearish, a decent liquidity grab, and then a push. Maybe a 30 close. Maybe the hourly could be the play, to be honest. Today is hard, tomorrow will be worse, but the day after tomorrow will be beautiful. Most people die by tomorrow evening. What? Oh, you're not talking about days. Yeah, okay, that's true. We're going up, looks like, but from where? From here, maybe, chat. Who knows? So here's the two plays, chat, that we have, right? I'm going to run it down for you guys. This is what I'm going to look for right now. I'm not jumping off. I think we got a lot of potential here, so I'm going to stay on. By the way, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel as well. We just dropped a new YouTube video, which is a banger. A closure above on the hourly, above 65-ish would be decent for buys. Even on the 15-minute, actually, would be very good for buys. Or we get like a bearish hourly close. Strong bearish, then a liquidity grab, and then a wick fill down. But it seems to me as if we want to reject rather than push up, push down here. If you go offline, I'm going to watch... No, I'm not going offline, man. I'm going to stay for quite a bit longer, to be honest. I think there's a lot of potential here. Drop a like on the blood clot stream, chat. 5-minute closing. How are we going to close? Back within this, the range of doom, chat. Actually is the range of doom, I can't lie. No bueno. Oh shit, B2BF and Bivol are doing a rematch. Oh no, apparently they're not. Anyway, chat, latest update from this geezer. Sorry, brother, for everything I said to you. I appreciate from everything I have from your YouTube channel. Bro switched up real quick. Switched up on the day ones. I was gonna be mean, but chat, we'll be nice. I'm number one. Oh shit, yeah, chat. Oh, what? Call him a dipshit again? It's impossible for me to be mean to people that are nice. I actually cannot do it. I can be really, really mean to... Hang on. Crazy. Absolutely crazy work. Is it pink is insane. That is devious work. I saw it come through on my phone. I was like, no way. Not the is it pink notification. You know it's pink. Pause. Chat, we're pushing up here, man. Why don't you come find out? Bro, insane. Insane from chat. Jed's cooked. Jed is actually cooked. I will admit that. He's definitely one of the most cooked TRLS members out there. Too much? Yeah, maybe. Maybe too much. Chat, we are ripping up here, though. This is good. Nice little closure. Yo, if the hourly can... Oh, wait. Is this a... Oh, no. I was going to look at the 4 hour. If the 4 hour close like that, I've been saying, hey, Mr. Green, what's good, brother? How's it going, my friend? Yeah, chat, if the hourly can close above like this, we're looking pretty here. Or maybe like, actually, you know what would probably be better? If the 15 closes within the range and the next one closes above, you're going to get like slightly tighter stops. It's going to be quite a bit better. Hey, what's good, Christian? How's it going, brother? Hope you're well, man. Wellman. Mr. Pineapple? That's not me, bro. I'm certainly not Mr. Pineapple. That's a different stream. Are you in a trade? What's good, Dale? Not yet, bro. We're waiting here. Good evening. Is it good evening? I guess it is. Good evening. For me, it's good afternoon still. 7 minutes, chat, to the hour, to the 15-minute close. 65.55 is the key level for 15-minute close above. Yes, agreed. 65.43 is my level, but it's the exact same pretty much. 1 pip away doesn't make a difference. But you also need a top wick, right? So you need a push up, then you need a it to leave a top wick, and then you need a continuation, right? So a lot of stuff still needs to happen, chat, but we are looking good for a position here. I can't lie. We're looking pretty nice. Unless we reject here and flip, then I don't even know what. Sells, maybe? I don't know. One way or the other. But chat, look, you notice how we trapped a shitload of sellers here? Like a lot of people probably would have FOMO sold somewhere around this area. Here as well. So it would make more sense for us to push up here than down, I think. When little trend lines? Whoa. You sound like my girl. I get asked that question relatively often. Oosh. Oh, big rejection, chat. Holy 5-minute flip. Tapped into the level again, chat. Bumberclaw. What the rascal? All right, this tells me sells are on the table now, chat. That is a liquidity grab. Is wicks more important than the candle body? They're both important. Both very, very important here. W Lafika. What is that? I don't know foreign words, man. I'm not a linguist. My girl speaks like 5 different languages and I'm English, so I only speak 1. No, I actually speak 2 technically. Whoa. That's not a good word. Stefano. Let's calm down and see which side is going to break. What do you mean calm down? Don't tell me to calm down. Tell me to calm down. I'm going to box your head in. No, I'm joking. I would never do that. Chat, we are ripping here. 15-minute closure in 4 minutes. This could be the one, unless we just rip straight before it. Holy Sigma, man. Chat, we are ripping here. Moves 1 pip down. That was a big move. That was like a 40 pip 5-minute candle. More than that. Yeah, 45 pip 5-minute candle. Having an emotional roller coaster. This actually is the range of doom. I told you guys, the range of doom is what we're stuck in, and we are. It's the range of doom and despair. Bro's the brain rot father, spelt wrong. Gaslights us into thinking it's him. It's us. It is you. And father doesn't have an R. Chat, 15-minute rebroke is low here. Technically should rip right now. Fuck, yeah, I got you. Absolutely well and truly got you. Chat, this range of doom is no good. What's good, E? Hey, what's good, Lawrence? How's it going, man? Chat, I believe we fill the range down here. I believe we fill the range down here. Towards 53. You kind of filled the wick already, right? Volume coming in. You broke the low. Holy hell. Hey, what's good, Eng? How's it going? Chat, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already, man. Much love to you all. Everyone who drops a like and subscribes. For the people who watched the most recent video, you guys are goats. The feedback on that has been crazy. Like, the comments you guys have been leaving have been really really super fucking, yeah, I guess emotional, like positive though. Like, a lot of, what were people saying? I actually screenshot a few of them. Put some trading tool on the screen. There you go. Anyway, yeah, the feedback just overall as a whole was super positive, which is good to see, right? And that's why I make videos. I don't really give a fuck about the views. I just care about like the impact it has on you guys. That's the most important thing. Okay, the 1 minute did a little flippy thing. Re-breaking the low here. I don't see any reason this doesn't fill the range down now, but the problem is it's already filled halfway the range. I don't want to take a trade in the middle of the range now. It gets a little bit difficult, chat. I would like to see the 1 hour close like this, and then we can get an entry on the top wick. That's what we'd look for, chat. Something like an entry from here. That'd be super nice, actually. And then you can have stops above this high for like 50 pips, 57. TP down towards the bottom of the range for like 82. Little 1 to 1.5. Just take 200 pineapples and you'd be good. Or you could do that. Oh, chat, wait. The 15 could be the play as well. I just don't trust the range of doom now, chat. The range of doom, man. I'd rather get the hourly close, but I'm also thinking it might be gone by the time the hourly closes. What the hell? Need to form a support for me and then break that? You have. This is this is exactly what we've done. But I'm not liking the wick rejections. Push too much? You haven't pushed too crazy far, to be honest, but I don't like how we're struggling here over and over. I think the 15 looks... Oh, no, it doesn't even look that good, man. Even though the views are less on the video, but all the videos are great quality. Nah, yeah, it's all about, like, the impact it has on you guys, rather than the views. The views are good, don't get me wrong. I would love videos to get, like, a milli view or whatever, but at the same time, I like having a pretty small community where we can actually interact one-on-one. Yeah, 15 minutes so weak, chat. Super weak closure on the 15 minute. Yo, fam, no signals, honestly. Like, I know you're joking, but don't give people signals because people will take it. I'm taking it by hills. I knew you'd put that. I knew you were going to put that. So the 15 closed. Must be an echo. Actually, was a good joke. I respect that. But if you say something like that again in my chat, you are fucking banned, all right? Nasty range? Yeah, it's not nice. So now you reject super heavy and then rip straight back down. I mean, chat. 1-0? Nah. I got a couple in early. I reckon it's like 2-1 to me. No chance you're claiming a 1-0 there. Just disregarding the rest of the match. Chat, there's a wick fill again. But you just wick rejected twice in a row. It's fucking... This is not nice, chat. Lost because of the shit in the Asian session. Still salty on to the next. I'm going to take a sideways trade. Oh, yeah, chat. I'm going to take a forward. Instead of a long or a short, let's take a forward. And that's just where price moves forward in time. Guaranteed winner. 100% win rate on that. Apart from if you take it just before market close. Wow, wow. Chat, would you get neck off a man for 10 mil? That's the question. Chat, let's get to 50 likes on the stream, man. Drop a like right now, otherwise you are cooked. That's the rules. Apparently, I don't make it up. Someone told me if you don't like the stream, you're cooked. I punched the like button. Good. Yeah, chat. Everyone punch your monitor right now. It works out really well. Just literally punch your fucking monitor, and you'll be good. I think. Holy chat, the hourly close could be good here. I think the hourly is going to be a confirmation for us. This hourly was also a confirmation, but it just didn't form correctly, right? But if this hourly can close nice and bearish, I punched my screen and broke it. No. This hourly closes bearish like this. We get a top wick. We can look at taking the range fill down towards 53, if not even further, 51. It's just, we were just stuck in the range of doom the whole time. Even this 15 minute kind of closed back in the range of doom. Chat, these two blue lines here between these is the range of doom, right? And we've literally closed respecting it. That's gonna, chat, I'm gonna make a trading concept called the range of doom. I think that's cool. So we filled the wick again. Now you're re-breaking the low. You should drive all the way down. But is the range of doom going to do its thing? I don't know. Adrino, what's good, brother? How you doing, man? Welcome back to the streams. Welcome back. Welcome back. I think there's a lot of potential here, chat. I'm not going to lie. I do genuinely think we're going to get a position here off this hourly close in 11 minutes. That's what I would say. If we are going to get one at all, it's going to be in 11 minutes. And I think we will. I think we will. How's crypto doing? Bitcoin's also in a range of doom by the looks of things. Ethereum. Ooh, I like it. I sold some at 3,800. I actually paid my accountant, so that's technically the same as selling it, but I had to pay my accountant like 3,000. So I shipped that over in Ethereum. Bang. So that was basically like a small TP on Ethereum there. Chat, we're ripping down, man. Fuck, it's gonna fill the range. This is where you really punch your monitor, chat. Not actually. Bearish market structure on the 1 minute and it filled the range. Thank you very much. Gold, thank you very much. That is bullshit. That is really bullshit. Oh my god. Holy shit, I have the voice of an angel. Why did it do that to us, chat? Someone tell me right now. Yo, like 10 people just jumped off the stream whilst I was singing. I can't be that bad at singing, gang. Surely it's... Nah, my singing's good. I don't care. Build the fucking range, man. Was Satan an angel? Yeah. Technically, right? Lucifer was a fallen angel, no? The light bringer. Your voice doesn't have enough gravitas? It does. There's enough liquidity in sell side point to grab and then boom to 3,400 again. What's your point on this? It could happen, bro. I don't know, but you need a confirmation again. Spectrum stream? Nah, no way. Chat, that's the thing, right? You gotta think, all of these streamers, all of these trade... Can you fucking stop? I'll do whatever the fuck I want. Actually. If you're a few years younger, you can sing for Vienna Boys. I don't know what that is. So I'm not going to say thank you or fuck you for that one. I'm going to leave it neutral. Stop it, sir. See, chat, this is the thing, right? Unfortunately, you have this much power over what I do on stream. I could do anything. I could literally get my cock out right now on stream. And you guys have no power. For YouTube's purposes, I will not be doing that. So anyone watching from YouTube terms and services, that was a joke. But it's possible. I'll unsub, you won't. If you don't, crazy Triz. You'll unsub if I don't is insane. You need a better camera to see that. Yeah, I need one that zooms out super far, like a proper fisheye lens, because otherwise it'd take up the whole screen, right? So yeah, I technically would need a better camera, you're right. Or I'd need to just place the camera like miles and miles and miles away. You were right, it could go to 53 and it does. Why did you not took a trade on it? It didn't form how I wanted it to, man. It did not form how I wanted it to. I love how we just flip in between pure degeneracy and like properly locked in trading. Like, genuinely name another stream that does exactly that. We literally go from pure degen, brain rot, bullshit commentary to like genuinely locked in disciplined trading. Haven't taken a trade in the last 4 days, live on stream. I don't know if anyone else could actually do that. I knew it would go to 53 though. I just knew it. But yeah, at this point, chat, it is anything but trading. That's exactly what we don't want it to do. I know, yeah. It's one of them ones, chat. This is chim content. Now this is comedy special. Chat, I think it might be cooked. I can't lie. I think we might be cooked here. And the best thing is, you got your wife supporting you from the start. She's the best, man. She's honestly the best. I would be cooked without her. Oh shit, chat. 5 minute no bottom wick and then another 5 minute rejecting. Holy fuck. That's a trend play right there. Answer, Polizei, Traffic, komm mit mir. Why she doesn't come on live stream, motivate us? Yeah, nah, bro, that's not happening. Unfortunately. That is tempting as fuck, to be honest. You're just super bearish, right? I was trying to look at the 1 minute structure here on my broker, but it's okay. You did technically break a little bit, but you're just so bearish. It's going to be very difficult to take that. Chat, I'm gonna call it a stream here, man. That is unfortunate. Honestly, we were so close to getting a position, but it just made the move a little bit too early. It's just one of those things, right? It literally just made the move a tiny bit too early. But chat, listen, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. Yeah, actually, I swear we're the most disciplined traders in the game. What's good, Nerd Lottering? How you doing, brother? Gold rage baiting? Yeah, kind of. Chat, this is how you make serious money trading, by the way. Genuinely, the reason why I'm so profitable right now is because of the level of discipline I have. I show you guys on stream every day, and you guys have the same thing, because you turn up to stream with me and wait and don't take positions when you know you shouldn't, right? That's the best thing about it. Now, you guys are truly disciplined traders, which is so good. I'm so glad to see that. All right, nice. Good, bro. Discipline's the way to growing the number in the bank. Yeah, 100%. No losses today equals a win. Yes. Time for the daily SG GeoGuessr L. Nah, man. I'm always like top 3, top 4. All right, chat. 5 seconds to join the game, then I'm starting it up. Oh, we got a few late entries here. $1 million. Lines is trending. Oh. All lines is trending. Which one? One sec, chat. All right, wait. Let me start the game. Wait. Actually, I'm gonna keep you guys rolling for a second. Oh, someone else joined. Nice. All right, we're in. Thanks for the stream. No worries, Sanj. Catch you in a bit, man. Where the fuck is this? Ah, okay. Thank you. Yeah, I'll take it. I'll take it. Chat, I'm cleaning this one, man. I'm cleaning up here, unfortunately. But who typed that? You're banned. I feel like this might be... Oh, never mind. That's a gated ass community, right? Kind of, yeah. How did they get in there then? I feel like this could be like somewhere like this. Dominican, Puerto Rico. Was it Puerto Rico? No, it was Dominican. Yeah, get cooked. I put Haiti. I don't know why. I said Dominican. Nah, Jed, no way you're beating me. What game is this? GeoGuessr. Surely you've seen this, unless you've been living under a rock. Is that a Hindu temple? Oh, no, it's not. It's got to be like Libya, somewhere like that. If it's a Muslim African country. Senegal. Fuck. I like my rock. Okay, say less. Say less. That makes a lot of sense. What did gold do? Oh my days. Actually, rejected. Air liquid. Wareneingang. Right. Yeah. Thank you. Holy shit, chat. Final round. I'm 3,000 points ahead of second place. I really need to not fuck this up. It's not really telling me much, chat. This could be anywhere. I'm gonna have to stick middle of Europe, somewhere Balkan. Somewhere like this, I think. I know that's not Balkan, but there you go. Oh, shit. Chat, did I make... Oh, yes. Oosh. Chat. Triz. Have that one, bro. Said I was gonna hit my daily L. Get cooked. Hate the Jake second. Jed third. Yeah, suck your mum. Whoa. We'll have none of that around here. Absolutely none of it. Chat, look. That's going to be it from me, man. Listen, have a great rest of your day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Much love. Make sure you go watch the most recent YouTube video. And other than that, chat, See you guys later. Bye.